So hello everybody, this is Asfan Khan, and today I want to show you how you can add graphs and different charts on your Excel workbook. So it's an easy task if you are if you are having a little information about Excel. You can use charts with your workbook. So let's start with some basics of charts. So here is one sheet that contains some data. Here is a time, here is a corrected time, here is a reference tree, here is reference, cell reference, and current and dynasty. So I want to add some graphs in this area. So it's very simple, but there are a few things that we must keep in mind while inserting any of the column in any of the graphs in our workbook. So first thing is you must know which is the data that you want to place on x-axis and what is the data that you want to do your y-axis of the graph. So if you are confirmed with this one, say I want to just plot some data that is current density with time. Alright, so I have both the data tables with some records, and if I show you the length of my record, it reaches to a number of 3533. So there are total 3533 numbers. So I just need to go to insert, and in this portion you will see some charts, that is recommended charts. Here if you click you will see 2D column, 3D column, etc. And here are some pie charts. You can use these one charts in your workbook. So here are some bars, here are some scatter charts, here are some pivot charts. So what I prefer is scatter chart. So here are some dots, there are some connected like spirals, here are some other like neural, here are also some other charts. So what I use the straight lines. Alright, I just inserted a chart in this area. So now I need to select data for this chart to plot on. So I will just right click on this, and here are some options. I need to select the data. I want to click on it. So once you have this one window pop up, you just need to click here, and what you want to show on your plot title, you just need to click here, and I want to show this one name in the on the plot title. So it will just write at this one portion of the graph. And the next thing is to plot the x series. Here you can see x series value. So my x series is time, and it is starting from this one to this one. I can just this number to 35 and 33. So as it was I just need to delete this one, and I want to plot y value, that is current density. So I just need to go to down. I will add the range of my data because I just want to keep this data to be plotted on my workbook, and just click OK. And after that I will, now you can see that there is a curve starting with 3, most probably 3.3, and it's going to somewhere in between 3500 and 4000. So I need something, the one thing that I've asked that I told you about the series is this one file. So this one name is copied to this one area. So if you want to add some legends, some x-axis, y-axis values and title, you can just click over here. Here is the access bar portion. You can see there are further more options like that. And if I want to keep these value to 3600, I will just write down a value of 3600. Alright, and now this one field is changed to -400 because my total value was initially 4000, and I want to keep it to 3600, so it went -400. I will just write it down to 900. So I want this spacing to be started from 0, 900, 1800, 2700 read to 3600. So this is what I need. So now I will click on this one. I just want to add legends. Legends are basically some text with some colors, so it will plot all right or any of the position you want to plot on your graph. So I want to plot it left side, top is the better. So now axis titles, so I just need to click over axis title and I'll see this. So I want this to be DE current tendency, C current tendency, and this is time timers. So I have noted it down. So you see here is a number 0, here is 0.5, here is 1. So I don't want to be have 1, I always want to be 0 0.0, 0 0.5, 1.0, so that it must be the same. So I just need to double click on this one. I'll just close this one and I need to double click on this one. Here are some option, that is axis option, tick marks, level, number. I just need to go to number, and here I will simply add 0 0.0, 0.0 and keep this one number 0 0.0. I just want to yeah, now you check, this is 0 0.0, 0 0.5, 1.0, 1. So these are numbers that are same now. So this was a very simple tutorial that you can use to plot one line graph on your workbook. So I want to plot another graph, another data on the same graph. So what I need to do is just to click on select data. I just need to add. Here a pop-up will appear. So this time I need something different. So I want to plot this one. Series value X is starting with X and it's going to 35 and 33. Alright, so I want to plot current, this one current 35, 33. This is my range. I just need to click OK. So now you can see there are two legends, one is with light blue and one is with orange line. So here is another graph. If you can see this one, this is another one. I can change anything in this graph. I can just change its size, I can change its dimensions, I can change its positions, I can change its graph style. So this was how you can add a graph in your workbook. I hope you have understand. For further and for more and more Excel workbook videos, you just need to subscribe my channel. I hope you will find it